হ্যালো গাইস, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল। দিস ইজ সামিয়া টেক হাব। আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, আমিও ভালো আছি। আজ আমি চলে আসলাম ইন্ডিয়ান রুপি রেট ইন বাংলাদেশ। ইন্ডিয়ান টাকা রুপি, যেটা বাংলাদেশের টাকা, কত টাকা আসে তার একটি ডিটেলস আপনাদেরকে জানাবো। বরাবরের মতো যারা আমার চ্যানেলটিকে এখনও সাবস্ক্রাইব করেননি এবং যারা নতুন আছেন আমার চ্যানেলটিতে, প্লিজ একটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন এবং বেল আইকনটি অন করে দেবেন, যেন আমার ভিডিওটি আপলোড হওয়ার সাথে সাথে আপনাদের কাছে নোটিফিকেশনটি চলে যায়। তাহলে চলুন দেখা যাক স্ক্রিনের দিকে। ইন্ডিয়ান রুপি, দ্য ডেইলি স্টার নিউজ থেকে পেয়েছি যে ইন্ডিয়া রুপিস নোটিস বেসড উইক ইন 2 মান্থ, লাস্ট 2 মাসে যে আমাদের ইন্ডিয়ান রুপিটা আছে তার রেট বাংলাদেশে কত। The Indian rupee traded on Friday, possessing its biggest weekly gain into month as being as information exclude of a similar rate hike by the Federal Reserve next month. The Indian rupee traded on Friday, possessing its biggest weekly gain to 2 months as being as information reading refresh expansion of a similar rate hike by the federal rate next month. The rupee finished the season at over a 1 month high of 81.3250 per dollar versus its last close of 81.55 point. This was the local currency based week since the week ended November 11, going about 1.7% after its breaking out of a narrow trading range. Public sector post bank likely both dollar around the 81.30 level. So on Friday, suggestion 81.20 could remain a resistance level for the rupee in the near term, said a provide bank trade developer. Also credit circular level began attractive for imports to jump in the rupee and other Asia concerns added while the dollar index extended closer to 102.00 level following US information data. US consumer price on a month-on-month basis declined for the first time in more than 2 years in December, stoking hopes that the Fed could hike rates by a similar 25 basis point (bps) next month. Fed fund future now show just a near 9% cent exchange of a biggest rate hike. However, not everyone was conceived the Fed would hike rates in line with market exception and that could indirect volatility in the rupee. We would not rule out a rate test of the 83 per dollar level with the first currency, said economics at constant research, who periods at 50 bps hike by the Fed. Indians wide certain account definitely who also remained one of the main reason for the rupees weakness, Kumar added. Meanwhile, rupees forward permission rose, taking a fall in Turkey year than 1 year employed yield climbed 2.26%, its highest since November 2022. With traders say push bank were on bright. For the week, the 1 year yield was up around 21 bps. Oil price races two piece as Russia planned to cut output. Oil price rose more than 2% on Friday and post weekly gain of over 8% as Russia meanwhile planned to road oil products next month after the West imposed price cap on the country crude and failure. Brent's certain future rose to settle at 1.81 or 2.2% to 86.39 barrel. US West Text Intermediate Code Future WTI where dollar 1.66 or 2.1% at $79 point 72. Point Brent posted a weekly gain of 81% while wheat gained 8.6%. Russia plans to raid its crude oil products in March by 5,000 barrels per day (bps) or about 5% of output. Deputy Prime Minister Alexander Novak said Western nations have imposed restrictions trying to coke off Russia oil revenue in response to the country action in Ukraine. The production cut in index that the European Union recent price cap and ban on Russian oil products, which come into after on February 5 have had some impact. Most analyses have already penetrate in Russian products finally by 7,000 9,000 in 2023, said Remember Bain, senior emergency trade at CIBC Private Wealth. US the key of trade to back out of it. Center trading regains in China's demand recovery. Russia output last year defined periods of a decline, but it also said will prove more declined in the face of the new subscription open plus on action after Russia amount oil output cuts to OP's details told returns. In the very short, Russia outcut doesn't mean very much as the significant reference maintains schedule demand today, but as we go forward and world oil demand content to recover it returns the supply deficit, said Anwar Lepo, percent of concealed lipo oil assets. Economics concepts still pressures with weak demand data for China and recent fares in the United States. Also limited gain were a rise in weekly US jobless claims and higher oil in variation. Goldman Sachs lower its Brent 2023 price forecast $92 a variable from $98 and its 2024 price forecast to 100 from 15. Open opens country official told Russia that oil may resent its rally in 2023 as China demand recovers after COVID curbs were specific and lack of investment limits grow up in supply with a growing numbers shipping possible return $100 a variable in up supply. Energy firms cut the number of National Guards raids by the most in a week since October 2070, while addiction the most oil raids a week since June. Energy service from bank hire so Goog said that told oil and gas ring count and early interaction of future output rose to 761 in the work to February 10. The US Commodity Futures Trading Consummation GFTG will again postpone publication of a weekly customized of trade report due on Friday after a ransomware attack on United of IUN market, the agency said to statement. ধন্যবাদ এতক্ষণ আমার পাশে থাকার জন্য। আজ আমি আপনাদের সাথে দেখিয়ে দিলাম ইন্ডিয়ান রুপিস সম্পর্কে। তার আগে আবারও বলে দিচ্ছি, যারা এখনও অবধি আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করেননি তারা আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন এবং ভিডিওটিতে একটি লাইক করে দেবেন। আপনাদের মতামত জানাবেন কমেন্টে। তাহলে পরবর্তীতে দেখা হচ্ছে নতুন কিছু নিয়ে। ধন্যবাদ।